body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, Lego. Oh, na. Bum, 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 boy. Oh, na.
These are the two main products that you guys are going to need to slay this wig: your razor comb and your thinning shears. The razor comb is for your baby hairs, and your thinning shears is to thin out and remove bulk from this really high density, thick synthetic lace wig. I'm sorry for like the shaky camera, but I wanted to show you guys a full length view of the wig before I slay it, because I know you guys were asking for it.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste on her. Ha, she feeling my way. You whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to start by thinning out the hair on the ends of the hair. That's me, how you doing? So I'm going to thin out the wig starting from the bottom to the top. That's how you want to thin out all your wigs. I'm going to thin it out to the point where it's like really, really thin. I don't really like thick ends. It just makes no sense. So that's what I'm doing right now.
When she dropping the low for a bad man, baby carry the roll for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man.
So what you see is me like mid baking, mid wig, but y'all already know this is me, y'all, and I just want to get this wig done so I can go.
Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl and we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. House they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man.
Guys,
see
so
the way she the roll for a bad man.
Didn't really get off camera just because it's so much hair, and it's really, you don't understand how hard and how much of a struggle it was to thin this out on camera. I thinned out a lot of like the inner. That's one thing you really want to do with really thick wigs. You want to kind of like take the hair right here and thin it out, because that lays on your neck. The hair, I mean, it was too long for me, so what I did was I just kind of cut it using my thinning shears. Now the thinning shears, you can cut it down, like it removes bulk, but it also cuts. So if you want to like make your wig shorter, just keep going and going and going, and you'll eventually see the hair start actually cutting. If I would have used the scissors and cut it straight, it just would have been like a straight, neat cut, and that's kind of looks, to me that looks kind of tacky. I kind of like the shaggy look like this, where it's not like perfectly cut and thin and just very lightweight, and it's not tangling, it's not thick, it doesn't have that synthetic wiggy look. So yeah, this is what you guys have been waiting for. I'm gonna actually just lay this down on my head because I got to go. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pin up the hair so that we can see all of the lace. I'm gonna start by cutting off the lace. I'm not gonna color this whole lace if I'm cutting it off. I'm gonna cut off the lace to where I want it to be cut to. Then I'm gonna be using my foundation. The foundation I'm using today is by Ruby Kisses, and I decided to get like a really cheap foundation because you don't really want to use your face foundation. I mean, you can, but for me, I use Kat Von D and it's expensive, and I don't want to keep using it on all my lace wigs. It's for my face. This is the foundation. It's by Ruby Kisses, and this is in the color Caramel. And this is my favorite to dye laces because it's just easy, it's affordable, and it's just one of those things that you just want to have to dye your lace. Don't use a good foundation. You can, but you really don't need to. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush, and this is the brush I use for my face, and I need a new one because it's falling apart. I actually ordered from them and I haven't got my order yet, so I gotta email them because I don't know what's going on with BH Cosmetics. The glue I'm using today is by Walker Tape, and it's the Great White Glue. I decided to use this because this is the glue I use when I go to clubs and stuff like that because it holds really well. The Janet Collection glue is okay, but the last weekend when I wore it to the club, my wig was literally here because I have a big forehead, so I like put my wigs here and it was slipping up to like right here. As you can see, my forehead is huge, so I don't wear my wigs up here. I pull my wigs down at least like right there, and it was like sliding up, and it was like so embarrassing because somebody was like, your wig is sliding up, and I'm like, all right, thank you. So I don't really wear that to the clubs. I feel like that's just not a clubbing glue. This definitely is, because this holds. So I'll be using this. I may cut some baby hairs because it's so like flat. You're not gonna really see your baby hairs, and you're not. I'm just going to get right into laying this wig.
K to the E to the K, nah nah nah. K. But see me see every time what to do. Don't miss any time when you got
you when it's too big, just cut into the wig. I just cut like right into the wig, and nothing happens. The wig won't fall apart.
She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wander. She be moving so quick, we are coming. She wants to wander. She had me heaven. Yeah, now so me say. She wants to wander, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. See my gypsy girl.
For the front, because you can see a little bit of the lace. I don't know why. I felt like I blended it in well. But because I could see a little bit of lace, I'm just going to cut a little bit of baby hairs and kind of gel that down right there in the front.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it on, girl, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on. Oh, she my gypsy girl. She's something to myself.